Alright, hey guys, welcome back. Here's the MW2 video. Here's the leader of Rated Clan, and some kid called Sound HD wants a match, a 1v1. No hacks are allowed. Go. Yeah, I'm recording it. My iPhone. It's good quality. Alright. Mate, God mode means you can't die. He hasn't got God mode on. See, look, he just died, see? Spectate. Spectate. That was your free kill because you got it. You got a kill on you. That guy. If that had got him, that'd be great. Rated winning by 6 kills. Now by 5. No head camping. Yeah guys, I'll be doing daily videos. So yeah, I'll give you the link for the Rated Clan. Their channel will be on the description below. What's the point up to? Alright. No, we ain't meant to be up to 30, it's meant up to 20. We all agreed on 20, so shut up. You didn't jump off, you like stood there. Yeah, I know. Will you? Will you really? Not really. You have to let him up. Headshot. You see? Rated wins by 11 kills. Thanks for watching. Just like, subscribe, and add it to your favourites if you really want.